Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Scat Pack being pursued by Georgia State Patrol. Original video will be in the description. Welcome to the show where I watch police chases. Yeah, this is what's going on. GSP immediately lights up this Scat Pack. Immediately. When it's GSP, I think I'll be eating a donut today. If y'all don't know, on the show where I watch police chases, if the cops catch the bad guys, I clap it up for them. We eat a donut. It's very rare that I have the donuts, but today I do. So hit the sub button, hit the like button. Let's go. Why isn't the Scat Pack pulling over? He's been lit up since that light. GSP is gonna get on tip immediately. He's going in for the pit that quick. Look at it. That quick. Wow. That quick. The cop wants that donut. I want to eat one. I got some good donuts today, so I won't show them until they catch them. So you're gonna lose the bumper. This is how your Scat Packs ends up at the salvage yard. With that same quarter panel damage. Let me stop yapping. But this is what happens, y'all. He's got a nasty gap on GSP. You can tell which one is the 6'4" and which one is the 5'7". Just that little bit more displacement really does something. And he's wrecked out.
Bruh.
Damn, the dude is just like.
Get on the ground.
Down on the cancellation for you.
Get on the ground.
Damn, feels bad.
Give me your hands. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You're going to ask me.
Give me your hands.
All dude, and all
Man, I honestly feel bad. Like, more and more I watch these chases, man. Because obviously, you know what I mean, they're running in the car, but they worked hard to get that car, you know? Not every American just afford a Scat Pack spontaneously. Not a civilian with a phone just recording this.
Dude, stop. Stop. Man, my deal off. Quit, dude. You just ran from me. You're going in handcuffs, bro. My arm is broke, man. He's down on the ground. I'm telling you, my arm is broke. My arm is broke. Quit, dude. I ain't letting you go nowhere. I'm not trying to go. You're trying to get up, bro.
Yeah. This is super unfortunate.
Quit, dude. Quit. Quit fighting me.
The cops struggling.
Just quit. Quit, man.
You have a unit in pursuit going down Dusty Boom for Northside.
We can handle this. Alright? If y'all want to come help me, that'd be great.
The cop asks for the help. That dude did look pretty big.
Copy, we'll be heading down that way.
I got a doctor's appointment at 2:30. Y'all gotta hit the like button for that voice card. So, you know what I mean? I'm gonna close this up when I close it up. But I gotta shoot right to the doctor, man. Talk to my psychiatrist. Watch my life update if you have not. If you wanna subscribe, see what's going on. But obviously, I'm in mom's basement shooting some videos. You know what I mean? They got the whole damn neighborhood out there.
I didn't tell him y'all were in.
Where's his backup? Yesterday I was doing some labor. Look at my hand. Ripped the meat off of it.
Just sit here. I can't, bro. Let me get off. Yeah. Come on. Come on, big guy. Help me up, please. I got my arm fucked up. He said his left arm. I ain't searched him very good. I got you.
Damn, all he had to do was pull over for GSP. I mean, what did he see him?
Thank y'all.
Damn. Yeah, that's a big dude.
You are impeding traffic flow. Do you want a ticket? No, sir. Okay, well, get in the car and leave. I didn't say nothing no different to you. Just get in the car and leave.
Is this normal to see in Georgia? It's like, cause like I really like how the neighborhood kind of came out and was like, what's going on? You know what I mean? Is this something y'all see every day? Is this very unusual?
You can't drive with a phone, and then they in a chase.
Do y'all see police chases a lot? Is it popular there? Cause in Michigan, where I'm at, man, they call the police don't chase boys, all type of man. I watch police chases because I kind of, in GTA, I've been in police chases, and like, I'm still here. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not even going. I'm just talking. But y'all get the point, man. Is this something normal for y'all to see? Because I mean, MSP don't chase. You know what I mean? They the don't chase boys.
Get in the car and go. You want to be on ATL Scoop that bad? Get in the car and go. Get in the car and go. He want to follow too.
They're trying to direct traffic around it and Let's get out the donuts. Let me show y'all my cup first. Y'all messing with that? Didn't write it on the line, but you get the point. Make sure you have some water. It's really hot out nowadays. Been doing a lot of physical labor, landscaping, etc. Bang, got the donuts here. Let's talk about what I just seen. What I seen was somebody who was scared of police, and then like he just blew his whole situation out of proportion. It didn't really have to be that bad. As I'm reading the report, the officer just observed some darker tints than usual and decided to pull the car over when the car did not pull over. And he tried to do like this low speed thing where like he wasn't going to pull over when the cop told him to pull over. Like, it's not that. They'll just wreck you out. GSP, do not play. I don't condone running from the police. I never have. I'm just speaking from my experience. But I mean, let's clap it up for GSP. Damn, it's tough to see, but like, I wanted these donuts. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna just rip the box. We're gonna have a classic today. Shout out to Krispy Kreme. Hey, this might be one of the first donuts in Mom's basement. GSP, y'all caught him. You feel me? Donuts on me here. You can have one for the cops. You know what I mean? Y'all did y'all thing for sure. Don't run from GSP. I've never seen a video of them taking an L. Maybe once. To a BMW, I think. I don't know. Y'all check it out. I got a playlist of police chases. It'll be somewhere. This is JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
I cannot go back and forth, cause you know that my switch, you don't tussle. I switch on my bitch, I got others. You got the ball and you phone.